Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that can elevate your indoor gardening experience, the 14-pod Gourmet Herb Seed Kit. We found this kit online, and we've added a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the 14-pod Gourmet Herb Seed Kit? This all-in-one hydroponic starter kit is designed to help you grow your very own fresh herbs right in the comfort of your home. It comes with a complete package of 14 grow pods, containing 6 varieties of seeds including Genovese basil, mint, thyme, chive, oregano, and Italian parsley. This means you'll have a variety of flavors at your fingertips for cooking or garnishing dishes, all year round. One of the standout features of this kit is its compatibility with hydroponic systems. The grow sponges included provide an ideal growing medium, while the durable planting baskets and growing domes support extensive root growth. This makes it easy to cultivate healthy plants quickly and efficiently. Plus, the nutrient-rich A and B plant food is designed to feed your herbs instantly, ensuring they grow stronger and develop robust root systems. Who is this kit suitable for? Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a complete beginner, this herb seed kit is perfect for anyone looking to start their own indoor garden. If you live in an apartment or a space with limited outdoor access, this kit allows you to grow fresh herbs without needing a traditional garden. It's also a fun project for families or individuals looking to learn more about gardening and where their food comes from. Now, let's talk about practical use cases. Imagine cooking up a delicious pasta dish and being able to snip fresh basil or oregano right from your kitchen windowsill. Or perhaps you want to add a touch of mint to your beverages or desserts. With this kit, you can enjoy the convenience of having fresh herbs readily available whenever you need them. Plus, it's a great way to introduce kids to gardening, teaching them about plant growth and responsibility while having fun. In summary, the 14-pod Gourmet Herb Seed Kit is a fantastic option for anyone interested in hydroponic gardening, whether you're looking to enhance your culinary creations or just enjoy